Pool cues define control, consistency, and feel at the table. As players progress from casual home games to more serious practice, the cue becomes a critical tool for translating technique into results. This comparison examines 5 58-inch cues spanning a budget option to a premium carbon fiber model, covering traditional maple cues, multi-piece designs.
Product number 1. Set of 4 pool cues, new 58-inch billiard house bar pool cue sticks. This billiard depot set offers 4 58-inch cues with 13mm leather tips, a hardwood shaft, and a 5/16 by 18 joint. Marketed as residential use sticks, they emphasize value and broad availability. The 4-piece packaging is convenient for households with multiple players or as a starter set. The build uses traditional wood construction with a decorative overlay butt, appealing to players who value classic aesthetics and straightforward performance at a budget price of $48.79 for the set, making it the most affordable option in this comparison. Performance-wise, the combination of maple/hardwood shaft and 13mm lever tips yields predictable cue ball control suitable for learning stroke mechanics and basic position play. The 5/16 by 18 joint is standard and compatible with many accessories, and the 58-inch length is appropriate for most players, though individual balance and weight feel depend on the included weight in the butt. Durability and consistency may be limited over time with frequent use, but the included set is a practical entry point for households experimenting with cue games without a large upfront investment.
Product number 2. Garson Pool Cue Stick 58-inch, 18-ounce, 19-ounce, 20-ounce, 21-ounce Billiard House Bar Pool Stick. Garson presents a maple-based, multi-weight 58-inch cue set with 3D printed detailing and hand-painted craftsmanship, offered as a set of 4 with weights ranging 18 to 21 ounces. A notable feature is the Canadian 6A maple core and the claim of a 2-year warranty with free replacement. Priced at $67, this model leans into a blend of traditional wood construction with modern manufacturing touches, aiming to balance performance with aesthetic appeal. Performance-wise, the maple core contributes solid straightness and predictable deflection characteristics for a range of stroke types. The 3D printing and hand painting process suggest a visually appealing cue with individualized finishes, though these manufacturing steps may introduce subtle weight or balance variations across the quartet. The 2-year warranty provides confidence for casual to semi-serious players, while the weight range lets players tailor feel to their dominant stroke and table conditions.
Product number 3. Pool Cues Set of 4. WinAcue markets a maple 58-inch 4-cue set with 13mm tips and multiple weight options, 18 to 21 ounces. The cues feature an anti-slip Irish linen wire grip and a high-gloss finish designed to resist moisture and warping, with Screwtick's 2-piece assembly that feels similar to a 1-piece cue when joined. The set is positioned as a versatile option for players seeking solid control and a premium feel grip at a mid-range price of $69.59. Performance-wise, the Canadian maple shaft offers good rigidity and stability, with the anti-slip grip helping maintain control during longer sessions. The 2-piece design facilitates transport and storage while maintaining alignment integrity when tightened. Weight variety supports players in dialing in their preferred stroke and cue ball response, though the overall deflection will hinge on the shaft straightness and tip in play. The 13mm tip remains the standard reference size for many leagues, contributing to predictable ball interaction. Number 4. Garrison Pool Cue Stick 58-inch, 18-ounce, 19-ounce, 20-ounce, 21-ounce Billiard House Bar Pool Stick. This second Garrison entry emphasizes 100% leather tips, Canadian maple shafts, and 3D printed or artisanal finishes across a 58-inch cue with 18 to 21 ounce options. With the same warranty framework as the other Garrison set, this model is marketed as a house/bar cue suitable for daily play and practice, offering broad weight choices and an emphasis on artisanal craftsmanship. Performance-wise, the maple shaft and leather tips provide familiar, dependable ball contact for barroom players. The 2-year warranty mirrors the broader Garrison warranty structure, offering coverage for potential manufacturing defects. The inclusion of a 3D printed aesthetic suggests strong visual appeal, though the practical impact on play remains primarily cosmetic. The weight range, again, allows customization to player preference, particularly for those who like tighter cue ball control in a bar environment.
Product number 5. Crickle Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick 58 inches Billiard Cue Sticks Professional Low Deflection Pool Sticks with 3/8 by 8 pin joint. Crickle delivers a premium carbon fiber cue at 58 inches with a 12.5mm tip and a 3/8 by 8 pin joint. The shaft uses carbon fiber with an internal foam core to reduce deflection under spin-heavy shots, and the butt features a 3K weave pattern. Priced at $139, positions it as the standout high-end choice for players seeking minimal cue ball deflection, consistent hit feel, and extension-compatible design. Performance-wise, the carbon fiber shaft offers reduced deflection compared to wood, particularly on English and heavy spin shots. The 12.5mm multi-layer pigskin tip balances grip and durability, enabling strong cue ball control and predictable deflection behavior. The weight range is adjustable via an internal weight bolt, allowing players to tune the cue to 18.5 to 20 ounces. The stainless 3/8 by 8 joint ensures a tight energy transfer and minimizes wobble at impact, which is critical for advanced players who require consistency under varied table conditions.